Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix green line error on Samsung phones. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, a simple restart. Okay. If you have the power button right here, just tap on restart, or you could go ahead and force restart your phone. So to do that, you have the volume down button, again, volume down and a power button. So what you're going to do is just hold those keys, again, volume down and power button. Okay, hold those keys simultaneously for about 7 to 10 seconds. Wait for it until it forces restart your phone. Okay, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to settings. Now find the search bar and just type down update. Okay, tap on updates right here. Now tap on updates once more. And if there are available updates, you got to install them. And once done, check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead over to settings once more and find display. Tap on it. Just go to motion smoothness. Okay, and change it to standard if you're under adaptive. If you're under standard, we'll change it to adaptive and vice versa. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and check. All right. So if all else fails, you can go ahead and go to search bar once more. And then just type down reset. Tap on reset right here. Reset. And factory data reset. But do keep in mind that all of your data will be erased, including your photos, videos, music, files, something like that. Okay, make sure that you make a backup. Save it on a safe place. And then once done, you can factory data reset right here. Tap on this option, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. Now, what if that still won't work? Well, the problem might be an issue with the LCD itself or your screen. You might want to get it fixed or checked by a local technician. Or if your phone is still under warranty, well, you can go ahead and contact Samsung support. Okay, they will help you fix the issue or maybe replace the screen. All right, and that is how you fix green line error on Samsung phones. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.